So I've been really lucky to have a lot of mentors actually in my law career so far. Starting back in law school, I interned for a medical legal partnership, and the woman who ran that program at the time ended up becoming a really helpful mentor to me and sort of taught me some things as a female in the legal profession about how to advocate for myself, negotiate things moving forward in my career. To this day, I still turn to her if I have questions about things. And then kind of going beyond that, I clerked for a judge. He was really good about taking the time to sit down and explain things to me as a new lawyer when you kind of know some things, but not really that much. And his big saying was, let's look at the statute. What does the statute say? And I hear his voice in my head when I'm like, well, let's go look at the statute and see what that says. All the way up till I moved to St. Louis in 2015 and met Martha. She's been an excellent mentor to me. She's very good and cares very much about bringing up sort of the next generation of lawyers. So. In my work, I try to always have some scholarly interest in either writing and or speaking engagements. So generally at the beginning of the year, I will set a goal for myself on a certain number of speaking engagements per year. And I like to do speaking engagements that are related to elder law, but sort of bring in other aspects of law. So how can elder law be applicable to family lawyers, for example, or personal injury attorneys and that kind of thing. So I do speak to people who practice in the same area, but also others. I'm also involved in several scholarly writing endeavors. So Martha and I are actually co-authors on a book that's put out by the Missouri Bar on guardianships and conservatorships in Missouri. We also co-authored a chapter in an elder law guidebook that the Missouri Bar puts out on guardianships and conservatorships. And in that same guidebook, Alicia and I are actually co-authors on a chapter about MoHealthNet, or Missouri's Medicaid program. And in addition to that, Martha and I are co-authors on a book that is put out by Thomson Reuters every year on the whole practice of elder law.